Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install WinRAR on Windows 10. One of the few applications of WinRAR, one of the most handy ones, is it is a much better software than what you get as a default, on Windows 10. So it is the best software to open compressed files like zip and RAR. Sometimes Windows doesn't even open up RAR files, so you pretty much need WinRAR. WinRAR is probably one of the most essential softwares that you need. The moment you open up your Windows, or you install a new Windows, or you restart your Windows, or you factory reset your Windows, WinRAR is usually one of the first softwares that people install and the one that they usually need. So it is fairly a very good idea to just jump in and install it first things first. So obviously, first you have to download the software. And of course, with that, we always use either Bing or Google, doesn't matter. You Google download WinRAR. Now, as you can see, I have a link that goes directly to download, but I'm just gonna use the link here. Now, we have the 64-bit version, and you have the 32-bit version. Obviously, I'm gonna go with the 64-bit version. Download WinRAR. The file here, we click on it. We go with yes. C program files WinRAR. You go with install. These are the formats that you can open up with WinRAR if you wish. So you can have, I'm going to add these two. Let's go with OK and done. So now WinRAR is installed. So WinRAR is installed. How do I know this? As you can see, we have this little file here, and when I click it up, it is opened using WinRAR. So that's your WinRAR functioning properly. If for any reason you don't see this icon and your zip files or your RAR files aren't opened directly using WinRAR, what you can do is you can right click on the file, you go to open with, always use this app. You'll probably get WinRAR here. Even if you didn't, you click this option, look for another app on this PC. Where is your WinRAR installed? Obviously in program files, WinRAR. You go inside, you select WinRAR, and that will make WinRAR your default software for opening up RAR and compressed files. So that is how you install WinRAR on Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.